early morning as Tom Willits and his crew launched their boats for a day of chasing stone crabs in the Gulf of Mexico.
Hurry up, I'm old and cold. You gotta have some heat.
Oh my God, y'all got a little heater. Boys with the boys.
Who was the jackass took the table out of my boat? What the hell are you trying to do? You're fired. Come on, girls, let's get this other one. They was being smartasses and took the tables off our boat. Thought they were gonna get ahead, so we'd have to go back to the docks. No cheating here, unless I'm doing it.
By nature, commercial fishermen are competitive, and Tom and his crew are no exception.
Anybody want some side bets on anything?
Tom, I'm gonna go ahead and give it to you. Tommy's gonna beat you today.
You think so?
I just know he is, yeah. I'm not even saying nothing because I don't got traps that's been sitting as long as y'all do.
Y'all need to change your panties, anything like that before we leave?
I got fresh panties on.
All right, let's go to work. Tommy's my youngest. He will do whatever it takes to win. He loves it, lives it, breathes it, and he cannot stand for Daddy to outcatch him.
Me and my dad's competitive spirit, and it goes back from the time I was a little kid. Me and him still compete to this day.
Blue crab meat, blue crab cake, topped with stone crab. Goes good with a Bloody Mary or coffee.
The competition is simple. Whoever brings back the most crab claws wins a cash bonus based on the day's overall haul. And the losers wash the winner's boat.
Go time!
Yeah, come on, sunshine. Easy, Cowboys. Right here.
We're starting off slow today. Wind blowing, it's rough. I need crab.
And the next trap, gotta have a slacker.
Coming out of the east, blowing about 25 right now. Pretty good 3 to 4 footers. Get some crabs, come on, bitch. Conditions don't matter. We're riding, let's go. Hippie's on the rail pulling. David's on the back baiting and grading. Ready for the next trap, and I'm driving. Try to get Hippie loosened up. He's old. Then we can pick up the pace.
Loving it. Gotta bait him up. Here, crabby, crabby, crabby. Watch me whip it. Whoa, watch me, nay,
Watch me, nay, nay.
There it is, baby, now.
Strategy is only one. Catch all the crabs we can and beat Tommy. A lot of money on the line today.
Strategy is we're heading north today, and we're going to go after some of them jumbo and colossal stone crabs.
You ready, Preston? Yes, sir.
This right here, this is what they call a Tommy trap right here.
That's right.
Woo!
20 miles north, Captain Tommy and deckhand Preston are crabbing deeper water, which means rougher seas.
Woo! Got a couple flounder in this one. So these flounder right here, we catch them straight off the boat, and they go straight to our restaurant, Kathy's Crab Shack. This one right here is a nice one. That'll cover up your whole plate. You might need 2 plates for that one.
I'm 29, but I'm 37 in crab years. That's for sure. It definitely wears that body down. But usually in the summertime we try to get a little bit of rest on our bodies and don't crab as much and get ready for winter time.
Tommy's plan to crab in deeper water is paying off as he's seeing a lot of colossal-sized claws.
Sometimes when we start getting a little bit colder in the winter months, they start pushing to that sand in the deeper water. And that's what we're trying to do today.
That's a $100 bill.